everyone and welcome to Chetan Bharat Learning. Welcome to your this week's class of Current Affairs, Science and Technology. So let's have a look at the various happenings that made the news in the field of science and technology. So we'll start with the first news, that is Bharti backed OneWeb launches 36 new LEO satellites. So we'll talk about OneWeb and we'll see what these new satellites are meant for, right? Then we'll talk about NASA launches tardigrades and baby squid into space. So tardigrades and baby squid, how are they going to help NASA, and why has NASA launched them in their 22nd flight with SpaceX? So we'll see into this news as well. Then we'll talk about the decommissioning of INS Sandhayak, that is a hydrographic survey ship of Indian Naval Fleet. Right. Then we'll talk about NASA selects 2 missions to study the world of Venus. Venus planet के लिए NASA ने कौन से missions decide किए हैं, इन्हें भी discuss करेंगे. Then we'll talk about IIT Ropar develops AmbiTag. AmbiTag, which is India's first indigenously developed temperature data logger, will discuss about AmbiTag. Then the news comes about H10N3 bird flu strain, where a few cases have been found in certain regions of China. We'll discuss bird flu in a bit detail. As we've already talked about bird flu, so we'll just have a look into this very particular strain. Then we'll talk about Sinovac, a COVID-19 vaccine by China. Again, China is back in news with artificial sun, which has set a new record of maintaining a very high temperature, much higher than that of sun. So we'll talk about this new record set by China's artificial sun. Then you must remember a small fact that January 30 would now be celebrated as World Neglected Tropical Diseases Day. So what are the neglected tropical diseases? And now January 30 has been regarded as World Neglected Tropical Disease Day. We'll talk about this news in a bit detail. Then coming back to India, IISR gets patent for black pepper micronutrient mixture. We'll talk about this particular micronutrient for which ICAR and IISR have got a patent. So how is this micronutrient going to help? We'll talk about this particular news in detail. Then we'll talk about Espajnai, a trademark that has been received by DBT-NII, that is National Institute of Immunology, for India's first indigenous tumor antigen SPAG9 for cancer treatments. So we'll discuss in bit detail about immunotherapy and what this SPAG9 tumor antigen does in our body. Right. So without wasting much of our time, I'll start with the first news, which says Bharti backed OneWeb launches 36 new LEO satellites. So OneWeb, which is a satellite communication company owned by Bharti Airtel, it has confirmed the launch of 36 new LEO satellites. So basically these satellite launch is a part of the 5 to 50 degree program, where OneWeb wants to cover 50 degree north latitude and above, so as to provide internet connections into countries like UK, Alaska, US, Northern Europe, Greenland, Iceland, Arctic seas and Canada. And the company wants to start its services from 2022. So if I talk about this particular launch, this is the second last launch. After that there will be just one more launch to complete this LEO satellite mission, right? So now the number of the satellites has come to 280. So one more launch is just left, so that the company can begin its services to reach the regions of 50 degrees latitude by June 2021. So in all इस कंपनी ने 648 LEO सैटेलाइट्स को लॉन्च करना है, जिसमें से 218 लॉन्च कर दी गई हैं, और 2022 में this service would be started by OneWeb. थोड़ी सी बात कर लेते हैं LEO satellites के बारे में. All of us are well aware that LEO satellite means these are the satellites that are low Earth orbit satellites. That is, they are positioned very close to the surface of Earth, around 500 km to 2000 km from the Earth. अब ये closer to Earth हैं, so they provide much stronger signals and much faster speeds. और इनकी यूटिलिटी और कहाँ बढ़ जाती है, दे आर मोस्टली प्रेफर्ड इन एरियाज वेयर जहाँ पर ऑप्टिक फाइबर केबल्स रीच नहीं कर सकती. सो द रीजन्स वेयर वी वांट टू गेट बेटर इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी, बेटर इंटरनेट कनेक्शंस एंड सिग्नल्स, देयर दीज LEO सैटेलाइट्स वुड बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प जहाँ पर ऑप्टिक केबल्स रीच नहीं कर सकती. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द रूरल पॉपुलेशंस और द रूरल एरियाज और सर्टन मिलिट्री एरियाज जो हार्ड टू रीच एरियाज हैं, फार फ्लंग एरियाज हैं जहाँ पर फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल्स नहीं पहुँच सकती, वहाँ पर इंटरनेट थ्रू दीज LEO सैटेलाइट्स वुड बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प, राइट. सो ये कुछ बेनिफिट्स हैं, बट अलॉन्ग विद द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ LEO सैटेलाइट्स देयर आर सम चैलेंजेस एज वेल. So these LEO satellites have a high speed, so they cover the full circuit of a planet in just 90 to 120 minutes. That means if we require to cover the complete Earth, so then we would be requiring a larger number of satellites. So that makes these LEO satellite programs much costlier. So they require more capital investment. So this is the challenge faced when we are talking about LEO communication satellites which aim to provide better internet connections, better internet signals, right?
हाय, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और आप पूरा का पूरा लेक्चर देखना चाहते हैं देन प्लीज एनरोल इन आवर करंट अफेयर्स कोर्स. हमारे करंट अफेयर्स कोर्स में आपको फुल वीडियो लेक्चर, उसके साथ की PDF और वीकली टेस्ट भी मिलेंगे जो आपके प्रीलिम्स और मेंस दोनों की प्रैक्टिस करवा देंगे. कोर्स की जानकारी के लिए यू कैन विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.chetanbharat.com या नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करके सारी डिटेल्स मांग लीजिए. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.